One of the biggest challenges facing followers of Jesus right now is tribalism. What is tribalism? It's us versus them thinking. So you pick your us and you pick your them, and then you just kind of go to war, right? Well, a war of words, a war of social media, ideas. Now, one of the challenges and problems of that for everyone is we lose the ability to have honest conversations, to recognize that things are often far more complex than either this way or this way. And in moving forward, in making progress, we need to be able to appeal to truth. Unfortunately, what happens in tribalism is you have us versus them, and then power is how things are settled. But that's not going to lead to a fruitful place for Christians or society as a whole. So as Christ followers, we want to be careful so that we don't fall into the us versus them tribalism thinking that's so common today. There's a better way forward. We need to walk that out with courage and kindness, treating other people the way we want to be treated.